It was all in the cookies. Hi everyone, I'm David and welcome to Homemade Goodies, where we cook good eats and make sweet treats. And on this episode, we'll be doing another potato-based favorite. It's a favorite snack food for sure. We're making potato chips. I do enjoy potato chips. They're quite tasty, and they work well as a side and just as a snack. In 2025, I came upon a chip maker plate at a thrift store, and it inspired me to make my own potato chips. And maybe someday, I'll expand into making chips from other things, like apples. And if you think the chips are down, think again. Let's get on with the making. For utensils, all you'll need is a cutting board, a knife, a potato peeler, a small bowl, a half teaspoon, paper towels, and a chip maker plate. And for ingredients, all you'll need is a potato and salt. First, moisten a paper towel and wipe down your potato. Second, use your potato peeler and remove the skin from the potato. Once that's done, set your potato onto your cutting board and use your knife to cut the potato into extremely thin slices. With your chips all cut up, pat them dry once again with more paper towels. When these chips are dried, set them onto your chip maker plate as a single layer. Then put the plate in the microwave for 3 minutes. When the timer goes off, take the chip plate out of the microwave and turn the chips over. Then, microwave them again for another 3 minutes. When that's complete, add your chips into your bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt into the bowl and spin the chips in it. Repeat the previous steps until all your chips are made. Once all the chips are made, it's time to enjoy them. And there you go, homemade potato chips all ready for snacking. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Homemade Goodies. Be sure to join me next time, and until then, keep on making. It was all in the cookies.